Have you ever pondered the complexity of your eyes, those tiny mirrors to your soul? The human eye, a marvel of biological engineering, is one of the most intricate and fascinating organs in our body. It's a testament to the wonders of evolution and the beauty of nature's design. Imagine, our eyes have the remarkable ability to differentiate between millions of color shades. They can rapidly adjust to varying light conditions, from the blinding midday sun to the soft glow of a candlelit dinner. But the wonders of the human eye don't stop there. It's also a powerhouse of processing, capable of handling an immense amount of information in a fraction of a second. Think of it as the world's most advanced camera, forever capturing and processing images in real time. But how does this remarkable organ function? Let's delve into the journey of light as it enters the eye. It all begins with light, the key player in our visual perception. This journey of perception starts the moment light waves from the environment around us meet the cornea, the eye's outermost layer. Acting as a transparent shield, the cornea provides the initial curve for the light, bending it towards the eye's interior. The cornea is not the light's only encounter with curvature. Next, it meets the lens, a transparent structure located directly behind the iris and the pupil. The lens, in collaboration with the cornea, fine-tunes the light's direction, focusing it onto the retina at the back of the eye. This process, known as refraction, is crucial for producing clear, sharp images. But let's not forget the role of the iris in this process. The iris, the colored part of your eye that makes you unique, is not just for show. It serves an essential function in controlling the amount of light that enters the eye. The iris adjusts the size of the pupil, the black circular opening in the center of the iris. In bright conditions, the iris constricts, making the pupil smaller to allow less light in. In darker conditions, the iris relaxes, causing the pupil to widen and let in more light. This constant adjustment ensures that just the right amount of light reaches the retina. The journey of light through the eye is a collaborative effort of several parts working in harmony. Each part, from the cornea to the iris and the lens, plays a unique role in shaping, directing, and controlling the light. This process is so swift and seamless that it happens in the blink of an eye, literally. But the journey doesn't end at the retina. The retina, located at the back of the eye, is like the command center of visual perception. It's here where the light, having traveled through the eye, will be transformed into an electrical signal that our brain can understand. Now that the light has reached the retina, the real magic begins. The retina, a thin layer of tissue, holds the secret to our vision. This remarkable piece of biological architecture is home to millions of photoreceptor cells, known as rods and cones. Now, these aren't just fancy names. They each have a specific role to play in our visual experience. Rods, for instance, are the unsung heroes of our nighttime adventures. They work tirelessly in low-light conditions, allowing us to navigate even when the sun dips below the horizon. Cones, on the other hand, bring the world to life in full color during the day. They're the reason we can appreciate the subtle hues of a sunset or the intricate details of a butterfly's wing. But the real magic happens when these cells convert light into electrical signals. It's like they're translating a foreign language into one our brain can understand. These electrical signals are then sent on a journey to the brain. The electrical signals, carrying visual information, are now en route to their final destination. They're traveling via the optic nerve, a superhighway of over 1 million nerve fibers, each carrying a small piece of the larger visual puzzle. This bundle of fibers works tirelessly, transmitting these signals from the back of the eye all the way to the brain. Now, imagine the brain as an artist, an interpreter of sorts. It takes these electrical signals, these abstract bits of data, and transforms them into something we can understand. Images. This process, while complex, happens almost instantaneously. It's how we're able to perceive the world around us with such clarity and detail. So, the next time you marvel at a sunset, or notice a friend's smile, or even read the words on this page, remember the incredible journey those images took to reach you. And voila! You've just seen a sunset, a smile, or perhaps the words on this page. So, in a nutshell, that's the marvelous journey of light through the human eye. We've explored how light entering through the cornea is focused onto the retina, creating a spectacle of colors and shapes. This light is then magically converted into electrical signals, a language the brain understands. The brain, in its infinite wisdom, interprets these signals, painting images of our world. Our eyes, complex and sophisticated, truly are windows to the world, providing us with vivid and colourful experiences of our surroundings.